Hello and welcome back to my channel, Cards by Melissa Minor. I have a celebration layout for you today, and I'm going to be using this new paper collection from close to my heart called Let's Party. I love the bright, vibrant colors in this collection. You see the candy apple, ballerina, bluebird, jade, Sundance, French vanilla, and black. This could be for a birthday or just a celebration. My favorite is this yay paper. You've got some stripes. There's also some sprinkle paper. I just love this collection. So I'm going to be focusing using the yay paper because I'm not going to be doing a birthday. I'm going to be doing a celebration. Now I am going to be following a sketch. So I am bringing out my close to my heart, Make It From Your Heart pattern book. And this is the new volume 6, and I'm using pattern 12. It does call for 3 photos, and I have 3 photos that I want to use today. So I'm going to get all of my papers cut according to the measurements in this book. Now the first thing I want to do is do a little treatment to my background page, and I'm using this Distress Oxide spray in the color of Picked Raspberry. So I have my splatter box out, and I'm just going to spray a couple sprays here. I'm going to spray some on the left page, and then I'm going to bring in the other French vanilla sheet, and I'm going to spray a couple more sprays, and then this will be for the right side of my page. So I'm going to set these aside to dry, and then I'll have these for my layout. So here we go. I am so excited. I've cut everything out according to the directions on the pattern 12. And you can see the pictures that I'm scrapbooking today. These are from my 100th subscriber notification. So I just want to say thank you to everyone that watches my channel. I am incredibly grateful and excited to announce that my channel has reached the milestone of 1,000 subscribers. And this was as of January 7th of 2024. So I have everything adhered down to my page, and I want to bring in some die cuts here. Now these, I use the digital art collection, and this was the Let's Party digital art collection from the catalog. And I cut some of these balloons. And so they did cut out. I was very surprised. They cut out very nicely. And I did go ahead and just use the ones that just bring in from the collection. I did not change up the colors. I just left them the way they were. And I'm going to go ahead and get these out. Now I did print 4 of these. I don't think I'm going to use all of these on my page today, but I did print out some extras. That way I can use these on a card or something if I want to. So I'm going to match up all the pieces onto the background piece, and you can see these balloons have this little layering piece, and I'm going to do most of this off camera. So here you can see I have all of the pieces adhered down, and they look really good. I didn't do any ink blending or anything on here. I could have. And then here's the little banner that it cut out. It cut out everything very nicely. You can see some letters also in my tray. I also cut out a title on my Cricut, and the title that I'm going to be using just says YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything glued down off camera. And you can see here I've got the title, and I have everything glued down. I've got the banner in place. And then I added some of these acrylic shapes. Those were from the Let's Party acrylic shapes. And I just love the way that this turned out. It was so quick and easy. And again, a big shout out. Thank you so much to all of you that take the time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. And I'm so excited to continue on my journey here on YouTube. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.